There's no denying that children love toys. And when it comes to cars and bikes, children love those that can be controlled with a remote. So, we bring you the best RC cars for kids that can provide them with hours of entertainment and excitement. Remote control cars are great toys for children because they are simple, fun, and entertaining. Moreover, they do not burn a hole in your pocket. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you top 5 remote control car for kids 2022.